Hello everyone and welcome. And in this course, ituturo ko sa iyo kung paano ka magkakaroon ng sarili mong AI agency. And ituturo ko sa iyo yung mga basic knowledge na kailangan mong malaman in order for you to make a profitable AI agency from scratch. Basically, yung course natin, meron siyang 4 na modules. Yung first module natin, it's all about introduction of AI prompting, ano ba yung tinatawag na AI prompt engineering, the role of effective prompting in AI workflows, and then ituturo dito yung pinakasikreto kung paano ka magka-craft ng isang prompt instruction sa ating AI following the 6-step prompting framework: task, context, exemplar, persona, format, and tone of voice. Ito yung ginagamit namin for us to get the accurate and result na gusto naming mai-provide ni AI. Ito yung pinaka-basic na kailangan mong malaman para mai-program mo ng maayos yung AI natin at yun yung gagamitin mo to build your own AI bots. And yung lesson 3, practical AI prompting for business use cases. At meron din tayong recommendation dito kung ano yung pinaka in-demand na AI agency na pwede mong itayo. Then in the second module, dito na natin i-discuss yung mga skills na kailangan mo, platforms na kailangan mo in order for you to build your own AI agency. So from setting up and tools and platforms you need, and there are platforms na nire-recommend namin dito sa course na ito, which is an all-in-one platform na pwede mo magamit to build your own agency. Then in the third module, magkakaroon tayo dito ng actual example and scenario on how to make your own AI chatbots. Kung paano ka gagawa ng sarili mong AI to match the business needs of your clients. Example, yung client mo is a restaurant or a real estate or e-commerce. Paano ka mag-create ng proper chatbot or AI nang sa ganun pwede mo itong ibenta sa kanila ng 5,000, 7,000 or 10,000 every month. And magugulat ka, no? Kasi kahit hindi ka marunong sa technical or hindi ka marunong mag-programming or coding kagaya ko, you can easily create an AI with simple steps with this drag and drop platform. And in the fourth module, ituturo dito yung step by step kung paano mo i-integrate lahat. Nandito na rin yung testing, different features na pwede mo pang gawin, and real-world applications. And actually, there's a lot of industry na nangangailangan ng AI automation sa kanilang businesses. And what if kaya mo palang i-automate yung negosyo nila using AI automation? Bakit kaya gugustuhin ito ng mga business owners? Or is there really a demand in the market? Kikita kaya ako dito kung magtatayo ako ng isang agency? Gugustuhin kaya ito ng business owner na let's say nagpapasahod siya ng 60,000 pesos. So, dalawa yung pinapasahod niya sa virtual assistants who handles inquiries, orders, basic support, 15,000 each. That's why 30,000. Meron din siyang staff for marketing and advertising kung saan yung automatic nagpo-post sa social media niya or daily, monthly, weekly, may nagpo-post sa social media niya. Nagpapasahod din siya ng isang staff for graphic and design. Okay? And then meron siyang finance and admin, no? For basic accounting and then for some administrative tasks. What if meron kang kakilalang business owner na ganito and then you offer them a 10,000 pesos monthly subscription only? But ang mawawala sa kanya ay yung manpower ng virtual assistant. Kasi once na ginawa mo yung chatbot automation with AI integration, ito, pwede kong i-promise sa client na ito na, ma'am, sir, yung dalawang virtual assistant mo na pinapasahod mo ng 30,000 pesos, tanggalin mo na yan. And then, yung isang staff mo na automatic nagpo-post sa social media or yung job niya is taga-post sa social media, taga-create ng graphic and design, yung AI na gagawin mo, kaya na niyang gawin yan. Yung maybe yung finance and admin, pwede niyang ikip ito kasi administrative task yan and finance yan. Therefore, mababawasan si business owner ng 45,000 pesos sa manpower cost niya. And ang babayaran niya lang sa'yo every month is 10,000 pesos. Don't you think hindi papayag yung isang business owner? Kasi ang isang business owner, dalawa lang naman ang gusto niyan. In order for him to increase the profit, it's either to increase the sale or to decrease the expenses. Yun lang naman ang pwede niyang gawin. Therefore, kung ako ang business owner, kailangan kong magbawas ng empleyado. Or better, yung ibang mga empleyado, ilagay niya na lang doon sa mga ibang task. Ang maganda pa dito sa empleyado niya na kung AI ito, no, it's 24/7. Nagki-create, nagpo-post, nagbebenta, nagki-cater ng order, nagsusupport, and so on and so forth. It is a proof na there is a large potential in this industry na ikaw, tayo na magsisimula ng isang chatbot agency or any agency integrated with AI ay pwedeng kumita ng malaki. So, this is the course all about. And para makapagsimula ka to build your own AI agency at kung paano mo ito ibebenta, kung magkano yung pwede mong singilin sa mga clients mo, sino yung mga target market mo, this is the first step. So, see you sa ating AI automation course, how to build your own AI agency.